My favorite cartoon show is Little Singham. He is the protector of Mirchinagar. His real name is Ajay. His best friends' name are Lattu, Bubbly, and Chicky. Chicky is a monkey. Chicky is a pet animal of Little Singham. He fights with criminals, monsters, and dangerous mutants to save Mirchinagar. Little Singham wears khaki police uniform and black sunglasses. He saved Mirchinagar using Panja tech. This character is very funny and entertaining. I watch Little Singham daily after finishing my homework. Bye bye.